What is the average life expectancy or lifespan of a central air conditioning unit? Well, that varies by brand. One of my opinions is nobody knows more about the units that are manufactured than the manufacturer themselves. And there's very smart people who work at all these manufacturers in charge of setting those warranty timelines. So if a manufacturer warranties their product for 8 years, my belief is that air conditioning unit is going to last for 8 years. If they warranty it for 12 years, my belief is that they expect that unit to last for 12 years. And it doesn't mean that you have to replace it after 8 or 10 or 12 years. But it does mean that after that warranty is over, really to understand that the manufacturer in their expertise is expecting more problems than they're willing to put their money behind. And so it's at that time that you'd really want to decide on whether or not you're repairing or replacing, really leaning to a replacement, recognizing that the manufacturer expects more deficiencies with their product after the warranty's expired.